Huh? Boy, how you gonna eat with your eyes closed? Open your eyes up and eat. Turn the light on, Vontae. Eat your food, man. You had a rough day at work. You had a rough day. Eat. It's good for you. Give you a little bit more energy. Wounded, baby. Eyes closed, eat. It's hot out here. Say hello, world. Mm-hmm. Man, eat your food. What you doing now? Now, man, relax. You gotta eat. You mad? You get mad now. Come on, eat, baby. Drink you some water.
Is this that lamb?
This is beef rib. Baby, seeing the fact, what you gonna do? You gonna eat and drink your water? Go ahead, eat. It's good, ain't it? Yeah, he hit you with a little bit. Go ahead, eat. A little bit of that black powder. We eating what? Beef stew right now. Baby, see? 9 right now. 9 had a hard day. Hello, world. Hello, world. Damn, you. Hello, world. Hello, world.
What you smoking?
Tired? You wanna go in there with your mommy? Wanna go to sleep with your mommy? Eat your food. That's your papa. How you know your eyes ain't even open? How you know that's your papa? If you're finna go to sleep, take that food out your mouth. If you're not now, take that food out your mouth. Take it out. See? Spit out. Alright. You're done. You're done. Baby tired. You wanna go with mama? Get the water. Get your water. Get your water. Can you walk it off? Can you walk? You forgot how to walk. You ain't walk from up there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Whoa. You alright? Go ahead, get up there. I get it. I get it. Okay. Oh. Go ahead. Alright, give me a kiss. Love you.